Okay, so we're going to look at matrices. We're going to look at matrices. This is one of the topics that comes in grade 12. Take note. Of course, we're looking at matrices. We're looking at determinant of the 2x2 matrix, and of course, the inverse of the 2x2 matrix. Now, I gave you these two questions the other time we met. Now today we're going to look at how we can actually answer this particular question. So given the matrix Q, 3 minus 2x4, find the value of x given that the determinant of matrix Q is 2. Now remember, last time we defined what the determinant is. A determinant of a matrix is basically the difference between the elements, the product of the elements in the major diagonal and the product of the elements in the minor diagonal. Meaning, for you to get the determinant, you need to multiply 4 times 3. Once you do that, you subtract x times minus 2. Once you do that, you'll be finding the determinant of that particular matrix. So then, how do you find the value of x given that the determinant of this particular matrix is 2? It's very simple. So first and foremost, we write the expression. We're going to write the expression for finding the determinant of matrix Q. And of course, we're going to have, we say determinant of matrix Q can be obtained by multiplying the elements in the major diagonal. In this case, this is the major diagonal here. That we have got a 4 and a 3. We multiply a 4 and a 3. Then of course we subtract the product of the elements in the minor diagonal, and that will be x times minus 2. This is how we get, the determinant of the matrix. Once that is done, we simplify this. 4 by 3, that's a 12. X times minus 2, that's minus 2x. We simplify further. We're going to have the 12 minus is plus 2x. Therefore, the determinant of matrix Q as an expression, it is 12 plus 2x. However, we are also told here to say the determinant, given that the determinant of matrix Q is what? Is 2. So it's logical to say this expression is the determinant and this 2 here is the determinant. So it's logical then to conclude 12 plus 2x equals to 2, thereby forming an equation. Once an equation is formed, it's now easy to compute for the value of x. How? You group like terms, so you're going to have the 2x on this one side. We've got a 2 the other side, then we bring the 12 the other side, that will be minus 12. And then you simplify further. This will be 2x equals to minus 10. You want to get what x is. You divide there both sides by 2. Then you're going to have x equals to 2 into minus 10. It goes negative 5 times. Therefore, the x value equals to minus 5. That's how simple this particular question actually was. Okay? I'm sure you've seen it. It was quite intriguing. It was quite simple. So that's how you hammer this particular question. Let us look at question number 2. Let us look at question number 2. We do the same just like we did previously here. So we have got this particular matrix. So we're going to write it up there. Just going to write it up here. So matrix A, we have thus x minus 2. We've got a 2 and a 1. So in the major diagonal, we have got x minus 2 and a 1. And in the minor, we have got a 2 and an x here. So now that one of the elements in the major diagonal is an expression, you put this an expression inside the brackets here. Very important. Showing that this is one single thing. Take note. That's what you do. Once that is done, you go back to the question. The question says, given that the determinant of matrix A is 4, find the value of x. So this question is similar to this one. So we do the same thing here. We're going to find the expression for finding the determinant. We write the expression for finding the determinant of matrix A, and that will be that A equals to 1 times x minus 2. We see that it will be x minus 2. Take note. Then remember, we need to subtract 2 times x, that will be 2x. By doing this, we are actually finding the determinant of matrix A. We simplify further. We remove the brackets here or the parentheses. We're going to have x minus 2 minus 2x here. We simplify further. We're going to have, we group like terms. I've got this x here, and the minus 2x, and of course the minus 2 here. We simplify further. We're going to have x minus 2x is minus x minus 2 here. Take note, this is the expression for computing the determinant of matrix A. So what? At this particular point in time, we also know here to say this is the determinant here. But we are also given in the statement to say the determinant of matrix A is equal to 4. So then it's logical there to say x minus x minus 2 equals to the 4, so that we come up with an equation. At this particular point, what you do is to group like terms. We have got the minus x minus 2 equals to 4. So what you're going to do is to take the negative to the other side. So have minus x this side here. We're going to have the 4 plus 2 this side. We're going to have minus x is equal to 4 plus 2, that's a 6. Remember, what you want is x. So you look at the coefficient of x here, which is minus 1. You divide it both sides by negative 1. You cancel out that, you cancel out that one. 1 into x is x. 1 negative into positive is negative. 1 into 6, that's a 6. Therefore, the x value is minus 6. And that is the answer. Great.